With Vivofit 4, working towards your fitness and wellness goals can become part of everyday life. In this video, you'll get to know your new activity tracker and how to get the most out of it. When you take Vivofit 4 out of the box, press the button to turn it on. It will be in pairing mode. Now is a great time to complete the easy setup process. The Garmin Connect mobile app will walk you through how to pair, sync, and start a timed activity with your device. Once this process is complete, your activity tracker will sync your activity tracking data so you can review in the app. Let's take a look at your device. This is the home screen. If you've been sitting still for a while, you'll see a colored bar on the top of the screen called the Move bar. It will continue to fill up the longer you've been inactive. You'll hear an alert reminding you that it's time to move. You can view more information and activity tracking data by pressing the button to start scrolling through your widgets. Widgets show the current date, the number of steps you've taken for the day, the number of steps needed to reach your daily step goal, distance traveled, calories burned, your total weekly intensity minutes, weather, and your custom text. Remember, you can turn widgets on or off and change their order in the app. Press and hold the key to bring up menu options. Here you can manually sync data to Garmin Connect, start a timed activity, set a timer, start a stopwatch, find your phone, start a toe-to-toe step challenge, and view device information. Vivofit 4 has a few other handy features. For example, it can automatically detect activities with Move IQ. If you walk, run, swim, cycle, or even use an elliptical machine for at least 10 minutes, it will automatically record the event so you can see it in your Garmin Connect timeline. Auto Goal is another great feature, which lets your device set a new daily step goal automatically based on your previous activity level. When you meet this daily goal, it will start to increase, encouraging you to take more steps every day. Vivofit 4 also offers tons of ways to customize your device with color themes, unique watch faces, and the ability to add your personal phrases to the screen. To start, open the Garmin Connect mobile app and tap on the Vivofit 4 icon. Then tap Device Settings. Select Display Options, then Watch Face to choose from a variety of designs. In the Display Options menu, you can also select Color Themes to choose what color accents you'd like to appear in widgets and on your watch face. Want to add your favorite phrase or a personal mantra for some extra motivation? Under Device Options, tap Custom Widget and then enter your desired text in the space provided. Exit all the way out of Settings. You'll be able to see your custom text widget in the loop after you complete a sync. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how Vivofit 4 can help you beat yesterday, watch the other videos in this series.